Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, December 12th, 2013. Continue to see some snow activity across northern Michigan today and tonight. During the day today, snowfall will be primarily across northern lower Michigan. Not a whole lot of snow is expected today, maybe a few inches up around between Grand Traverse Bay and Little Traverse Bay. As winds become west-southwesterly, we have a little bit of help from a passing disturbance will be moving through lower Michigan during the morning hours today. Across eastern upper Michigan, the day should start quiet, but by this afternoon, a heavy band of snowfall over Lake Superior is expected to drop southward back into areas around Whitefish Bay. And as the night progresses, that band is expected to work its way southward across the eastern UP. And probably make it through the straits and possibly even into parts of northern lower Michigan by Friday morning. This band, although it will be transient and moving, it will have some fairly heavy snowfall rates associated with it, so there could be a fairly little bit of snow accumulation across parts of Chippewa County along and north of the M28 corridor, and this does include the St. Marie area through about midnight or so before the heavier snow begins to push to the south. The recent cold weather and elevated river levels will also increase the threat for flooding due to ice jams on any river across eastern upper and northern lower Michigan, and that threat will continue probably at least through the weekend as the cold weather persists. Here's a look at the current weather map. We have Arctic high pressure centered over the southern plains and mid-Mississippi River Valley. We continue to see snow shower activity across the upper Great Lakes as cold air works its way across the warmer waters. We do have some more widespread snowfall across Wisconsin this morning, and that's ahead of an area of low pressure located over western Minnesota. And as that snowfall begins to work its way across Lake Michigan, it should enhance the ongoing lake effect activity, and that we should see snowfall intensity pick up a little bit across northwest lower Michigan as the morning progresses. We continue to see snow shower activity over eastern Lake Superior. Most of that is north of Whitefish Point this morning, but later on this afternoon, winds will shift back to the west and northwest, and that will start to pull some of that snow shower activity back into the eastern UP for tonight. Here's a look at the accumulation forecast for snowfall. This runs basically from last night through Friday afternoon. We see the heavy snowfall is expected across northern Chippewa County. And again, most of that will occur from later this afternoon through about midnight tonight or shortly thereafter. And then the heavier snowfall will begin to shift to the south. And then we'll see a period of some better accumulations across parts of far northern lower Michigan. Mainly during the morning hours today, as some of that lake snow shower activity is enhanced by the system snowfall that will be moving in from Wisconsin. So again, the main threat will continue to be the evolution of snowfall across the region. We will be seeing some chilly wind chills this morning, basically from 10 to 20 below zero across eastern upper Michigan and from 0 to 15 below across northern lower. And again, the threat for ice jam flooding will continue at least through this coming weekend. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected Friday morning.